We're staying with news coming in from the Valley after Bollywood announced a blanket ban on Pakistan artists. India has said no to playing cricket with Pakistan in the wake of the Pulwama attack that led to the loss of over 40 of our CRPF jawans. Indian cricketers stand in solidarity against Pakistan. Indian pacer Mohammad Shami has said that we must never forget the martyrdom of our brave soldiers and the attack that has left him in a deep state of shock. Demanding strong action, Harbhajan Singh has said that India should not play with Pakistan and boycott the World Cup with the country. This is coming in as the Punjab and the Rajasthan Cricket Association has pulled down photographs of Pakistani cricketers, including the likes of Imran Khan and Shahid Afridi, from the stadiums. Remember, All Indian Cineworkers Association barred all Pakistani artists from taking part in Bollywood films and events as well. We're getting some reactions coming in. Let's listen into them.
मेरी राय उस हर एक भारतीय के साथ मिलती है जो ये इस मसले को पूरे को समझते हैं कि ये कितना बड़ा मसला हो गया है कि हमारे जवानों को शहीद कर दिया गया है और वो भी 40 जवान एक साथ। और इतना बड़ा हादसा होने के बावजूद अगर हम क्रिकेट खेलने की बात करें तो मुझे नहीं लगता वो सही निर्णय होगा। जब तक ये बड़े मामले जो हैं इनको सुलझाया नहीं जाता या इसकी गुत्थी सुलझ नहीं जाती तो तब तक स्पोर्ट्स की तो बात नहीं होनी चाहिए। मुझे लगता है कि हम अब उस मुकाम पे हैं कि जब हमें डिसीजन लेना होगा कि क्या हमें वैसे संबंध उनके साथ क्रिकेट के रखने हैं या फिर नहीं रखने हैं। हमें अपने देश के साथ चलना है। पहले देश है फिर क्रिकेट है और क्रिकेट जो है वो अपना काम करती रहेगी, दूसरे देशों के साथ होती रहेगी। अगर पहले मामले जो हैं ये सुलझते नहीं हैं और उसके बावजूद अगर हम क्रिकेट खेलने की बात करते हैं तो फिर ये अपने आप के लिए हमारे लिए एक ठीक बात नहीं है।
देश के लिए, हमारी कंट्री के लिए या हमारे खुद के परिवार के लिए अगर लड़ना पड़ता है कहीं किसी भी सिचुएशन में तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि हमारे किसी भी भारतीय में ना कहने की हिम्मत होगी। हम हर हालत में, हर कंडीशन में हम लोग तैयार हैं।
All right, Gaurav Sawant still continues to be live with us from the Valley right there. Gaurav, you know, there's been an ongoing debate for many years now of whether sports should be kept away from the acrimony that two nations face. But in the light of what has happened, in the wake of what has happened in Pulwama and 40 of our jawans, it looks like the anger against Pakistan is growing so much now that not just Bollywood, even the cricketers are coming out and very vociferously talking about how they do not want to play with Pakistan anymore.
You know, Chaiti, sports has always been used as a part of a country's foreign policy, and not just today, from time immemorial. If I could take you back, some decades, you'd remember United States refused to participate in the Olympics in 1980 in Russia, and similarly, then Soviet Union did not participate in the Los Angeles Olympic Games in 1984, and that is because the USA and the USSR were at the height of Cold War. That's point one. Point two, the entire civilized world did not play cricket with South Africa because of apartheid. So terror from Pakistan is as bad, if not worse, than apartheid. You know, Pakistanis are killing our people. So why should we play cricket with Pakistan? It's a brilliant step if it's actually taken. And if India boycotts the World Cup, it's actually not a loss for India. It's a bigger loss for the cricket playing countries, and they will then mount pressure on Pakistan to take action against India-centric terror. Imran Khan, being a cricketer, being a sportsman, should actually understand, instead of whatever comes from Pakistan, they've actually taken no action against India-centric terror, despite the fact that Imran Khan knows terrorist organizations like Jaish-e-Mohammed and Lashkar-e-Taiba are flourishing under his regime.
Absolutely, Gaurav. We're also going to go straight across to Vikrant Gupta, who's a sports editor, who's also joining us. Vikrant, you heard Gaurav right there. Pakistan ought to be boycotted, and it's a fantastic step that is coming in. But has the BCCI confirmed this for a fact that we will boycott the World Cup and not play cricket with Pakistan going forward?
Chaiti, they can't do that. They can't do that right now. The World Cup game against Pakistan is 4 months away. In fact, India do not play Pakistan in bilateral cricket ever since 26/11. Please don't forget the fact that boycotting a World Cup game is not so easy. Technically, you can't do that. Of course, BCCI will face sanctions. And also a hypothetical question, if you boycott the league game, you concede and you forfeit 2 points, what if India and Pakistan are to meet in the semi-finals and the finals? Would you also not play them then? Would you concede a semi-final, final? Of course, right now the sentiment is that people do not want India to play Pakistan in that World Cup game. But there's another sentiment. There are people who say that India should play them. And India is a far superior side. They should beat them. So that's also a sentiment on one side, Chaiti. It's
But you
not
know,
going to be so
Vikrant,
easy.
what are
And
the
BCCI
players saying at this point of time? What is their stance from heart of heart? What do they feel that they want to do? Of course, BCCI not being able to take a formal stand on this is something which is understandable given the World Cup is about 4 months away. But what is the sentiment that is riding in the hearts of the players as far as playing a game with Pakistan is concerned?
Well, Harbhajan Singh has come out openly, and he has said that India should not play that game. But when I asked him the hypothetical question, what if India play them in the final and the semi-final, he said again the government will have to take a call. So you must understand one thing, Chaiti, that yes, whatever is happening in India is very sad, very disappointing. Me, you, everybody is very disappointed at the losses of lives. But then for the cricketers, winning the World Cup is also their ultimate dream. I mean, India hasn't forgotten 25th June 1983. They have not forgotten 2nd April 2011. For the country, the World Cup is, winning the World Cup is as
Right.
important. I am not trying to mix the two. At the
Absolutely.
same time, as I said, as you go closer to the World Cup,
Absolutely.
as you go closer to the World Cup, a call will be taken. This time, the threat is real. During the 99 World Cup, which was played in England, India and Pakistan played the day the Kargil
Right.
war was being fought.
So it's a wait and
And-
watch as far as the official statement from the BCCI is concerned. But of course, the growing chorus to boycott Pakistan is very, very evident, not just when it comes to Bollywood, but also when it comes to cricket, with all these cricketers coming out and saying we do not want to play cricket with Pakistan.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.